Today we are looking at the Hyper Pulse Gaming Desktop. It packs a new Intel processor and plenty of our AM to handle your gaming needs. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let us see if this rig is right for your desk. Let us dive into the core hardware components powering this gaming machine. The Intel Core Ultra 5 processor provides plenty of speed for modern gaming and creative workflows. The RTX 5060 is a capable card, but it struggles with high-resolution gaming compared to higher-tier options. Having 64 GB of memory and a 2 TB SSD makes this system incredibly responsive for large projects. This system provides excellent multitasking ability, though the gaming performance is limited by the entry-level graphics. Buying a pre-built computer involves more than just raw performance. The pricing is quite aggressive and makes it hard to justify against custom-built alternatives. The 3-year warranty provides solid protection for your investment in this pre-built machine. It is a truly ready-to-use system which saves users time and effort on configuration. The high cost of this desktop creates a difficult path for most gamers to find real. The Hyper Pulse offers a capable foundation with that Intel Core Ultra processor and huge memory capacity. However, the asking price is quite steep when you consider the RTX 5060 is a mid-range card.